A huge gathering comprising members of a regional political party, Awami Action Committee, rights activists and nationalists gathered in Gilgit to oppose Islamabad's policies, which they accused were interfering, exploitative and discriminatory. The event was held in the face of Islamabad's vigorous attempts at expanding its political control over the illegally occupied region. Locals fear the policies that are being framed in the name of empowering the region are in reality a diabolic design to alter the demographics of the region and gradually secure the ownership of the land that locals possess. In the latest move, Pakistan has paved the way for non-natives to gain lease-based control of the hotels and lands in the region. Locals say they will never let such anti-native policies get implemented as they were neither considered nor consulted during the policy drafting process.
जब हमारे इलाके के बारे में हमें एतमाद में नहीं लेते हैं, हमसे पूछ नहीं जाते हैं, तो कोई फैसला तो वहाँ पर वफा की तरफ से जो भी फैसला लगा हम उसे काबिल कबूल नहीं, हम उसे टोटल ही मुस्तरद करते हैं। तीसरी बात जो है, यहाँ पे हमारी माइनिंग है, मादनियात है, वो लीज का मसला है और हमसे पूछे बगैर हमारे मुकामी लोगों को एतमाद में लिए बगैर वो लीज यहाँ से दूसरे सूबों के लोगों को दिया जाता है, जिससे बेरोजगारी हमारे यहाँ पे बेरोजगारी की शरह भी बढ़ी हुई है।
Pakistan, which illegally annexed the region post-British India partition and has been plundering it of its resources for over the past 7 decades, has intensified its exploitative agendas in the last couple of years. First, it unilaterally decided to accord Gilgit-Baltistan the status of a provincial Pakistani province and then unleashed its real agenda by introducing a barrage of policies that are principally aimed at taking away even the bare minimum possessions people are left with. It has tried to persuade locals through political gimmicks and false promises, but informed locals have rejected it all. They say the revenue that the government collects is distributed amongst the top political and bureaucratic brass, and the commoner is left reeling in abject poverty.
तो हम समझते हैं कि गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के आज जो वसाइल है उनके बंदरबांट के लिए और पीटीडीसी ऑर्डर के लीज के लिए ये सारा एक ड्रामा रचाया गया है, जिसके तदारुक के लिए अवामी एक्शन कमेटी ने मौजूदा अबूरी सूबे का जो पैकेज है, जो ड्राफ्ट है, उसको यकसर मुस्तरद कर दिया है और अगर इसको इम्पोज किया जाता है, इसको अवाम पे मुसलत करने की कोशिश की जाती है, तो अवामी एक्शन कमेटी का आगाज़ आज से हुआ है। इंशाअल्लाह इसके इख्तिताम तक, इस सूबाई पैकेज को रोकने तक अवामी एक्शन कमेटी की जदोजहद जारी रहेगी।
Pakistan is going through one of its first economic phases, and while a policy paralysis is responsible for its consistently declining graph, it has been meeting a major part of its needs by exploiting the illegally occupied regions indiscriminately. Locals, however, are putting up a fight this time and say they are not going to give up under any circumstances.